Okay, so hello lovelies. I do have a cold, so I'm slightly losing my voice, but I know I've been slacking on the posting, so please leave a comment below and let me know what you guys want to see next. But I'm super excited today because I have seriously fell in love with the quickest, easiest routine for everyday makeup. And if you have not noticed, I'm sporting a nice little tan because I just got back from the islands. You guys know I've been using the Olay Whips as my primer, but I'm excited because I actually started using a different one. This is the Olay Luminous Whips, but this one has SPF 25 in it, which is really exciting. It came in just the nick of time because I don't know if I have a clip, but I'll show it if I do. My face had broke out in some type of rash on my forehead, and I had all this hyperpigmentation, and I was super scared because I was like, dang, I don't want to go to the islands and it get darker. But I used this as not only my primer and my sunscreen and my moisturizer, but seriously, as you can see, my face is pretty darn even. You wouldn't even know that I had the rash on my forehead. So this stuff is major key. A little bit different than the other Olay Whips because it's more of like a sunscreen lotion type feel other than the other Olay Whips, which is like practically done in there. So this one is definitely more like a lotion like. Both definitely very hydrating. Definitely take like a good amount of this. And I just rub this in my skin. Another thing that I've been using this product for is making sure I put a lot under my eyes because I don't know, as of recently, I've been getting kind of dry under my eyes and it definitely shows with my concealer. So I make sure this is very moisturized too. And it also keeps your concealer like bomb throughout the day. And it won't look all dry and like cakey and stuff. Like usual, I'll leave all the information about this Olay Whips with the SPF in the description box below. And if you have any questions about it, do let me know. But you can get this from your local Walgreens. And yeah, I'm pretty much digging it. And as you can see, it like blends in so easy. Like it's not like a super white cast or any of that. Now I just let that chill for like 2 minutes and then I'll go in for my makeup. It's gonna be pretty much all drugstore products, which is so crazy because I don't know how it happened, but Maybelline done changed the game with their stuff. So I've actually been using the Super Stay foundation and their concealer as like my go-to stuff. I use colors coconut and toffee caramel and I mix these two, but I'm looking as though I might just be more coconut now that I have a tan, but I might add a little bit of the toffee. So let's see. 1 pump of the coconut, baby pump of the toffee. So I usually do my foundation just a little bit darker than my skin because I do typically lighten it back up with the concealer. So that's why I'm just doing a little bit darker. But the coverage on this foundation is like ridiculous. Like I don't know what I was doing before this. Well, actually I do know what I was doing before this stuff. But this stuff is pretty damn good. How did I get moisturizer in my hair? I don't understand. Then I'm just gonna take a little bit more of the coconut just to kind of slightly contour, just a little on my cheeks. So just a little bit, and then I'll take that and go around my forehead, back to the other cheek. Concealers, I've been using the Instant Age Rewind from Maybelline as well. These are like full coverage concealers. I use Golden Dore and Tan. But I probably won't use Golden Dore today because it might be too light now that I got darker. So we're just gonna try the Tan and see what that looks like. It's just a little bit of the Golden Dore. Now we can blend everything out. When you're blending out concealer, I always drag it kind of back down into where I did the darker color, just so that everything is seamless and there's no like line of demarcation. And then you guys know I love my Banana Banai, so I'm just gonna set slightly with that. And I just put just enough to set. I don't usually bake anymore, so I just do just enough to set everything and just press that powder in. Alright, so I did my brows off camera, but if you guys are interested in an updated brow tutorial, definitely leave it below. But seriously, my brows take like 2 seconds now. It's a beautiful, beautiful relationship. So now I'm just taking like a dense brush like this, and I'm just pressing in any of that powder that's left. And I'm kind of just take this brush and just pack it kind of everywhere, because this foundation is so bomb that I do not set it. Yeah. Anybody who watches any of my videos know how much I love the MAC Skin Finish powder, but I actually do not use it when I use this foundation. So, yes. After that, I'm just gonna do some quick lip gloss, because again, this is just an everyday drugstore makeup tutorial. I'll just be using just a little bit of the NYX Peanut Brittle, just like my favorite lip gloss ever. But today, I'll just be using just a little bit, because we're going for a very nude, natural look today. Boom, that's it. For lashes, I do have lash extensions on right now. They're looking a hot mess. I don't know if you guys can see like just how bad. I don't even want to zoom in. I don't want you to see how bad they are. But they're still enough that to me, it looks like my natural lashes. So I'm actually not gonna put falsies on. Even though I'm feeling like a naked mole rat, I'm actually not gonna do it. But I am gonna line the bottom of my lash line with some mascara. This is also a Maybelline. I don't know how, but Maybelline just stepped up their game. So now all of a sudden I'm using like everything Maybelline. But I'm just gonna do my bottom lashes with one coat. Take a highlighter. This is Milani in Golden Light. And I'm just gonna do a subtle little highlight. Just adding very little highlight just to add some dimension back to my face. A little on my nose. I'm gonna take this CoverGirl Lock It Up spray and just set my face. I actually really like this stuff because the mist is so light. It's almost like the MAC Studio Fix or Studio Plus. You know what I'm talking about, the MAC spray. It's light just like that, so I actually really like this spray. That's it. This is literally my like under 10 minutes makeup. It's super full coverage. Even if you don't need super full coverage, I don't even know why I use full coverage foundations, but I just like the way that they look. But it's just perfect. If you have hyperpigmentation, these foundations are like, I kid you not, like the coverage on them is absolutely amazing. As far as my primer goes, seriously, there's no major difference between the regular Olay Whips and this one. The reason why I will be using this one is because of the SPF for the summer. That's like major key. Sunscreen is important, contrary to what we believe. I didn't always feel that way, but it definitely took me getting some more hyperpigmentation for me to be like, you know what? Let me not chance this. Let me use something with sunscreen in it. But this one works just as great as the other Olay Whips as a primer. Keeps my face super hydrated. Definitely check out Olay Whips and definitely check out the one for SPF now that it's about to be summer. It's about to get hot. Protect your skin, it's major key. I'll leave all the information about this product in the description box below. Again, you can get it at your local Walgreens. And yeah, if you like this makeup look, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I know my voice sounds so crazy right now, don't judge me. I'm struggling to get through this. But leave a comment below, let me know what looks you guys want to see next. And if you have any questions about any of the products, I'll leave all of them in the description box as well. And like usual, follow me on Instagram at iamLindaElaine, Snapchat at JamexicanBeauty. And I hope you have a marvelous day or night, whatever time it is. And I almost forgot my line because I haven't recorded a video in so long. But I'll see you later. Deuces!